Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Samsung phone is updated and YouTube is the latest version. Sign into the Google account you want tied to Premium. This matters for downloads and family plans. Once done, verify a valid payment method is attached in Google Play or choose carrier billing if available. Open the YouTube app and tap your avatar to access purchases and memberships. This starts the subscription flow, so premium features can be enabled on your device immediately. You now subscribe and activate features. Tap purchases and memberships, choose YouTube Premium, then follow on-screen billing prompts. After subscribing, go to Settings and enable background play and downloads so video keeps playing while you use other apps or offline. Also enable quality preferences to allow higher resolution and HDR on supported Samsung displays. This improves picture. Make sure offline storage location points to internal or SD card as preferred. Then you finish by verifying. Play a video, swipe away the app to ensure background play continues, and open downloads to confirm offline files play without ads. If a feature doesn't appear, sign out of YouTube, reboot the Samsung, then sign back in to refresh premium entitlements. This often resolves account sync issues. If problems persist, clear YouTube app cache or update via Galaxy Store or Play Store. And if downloading fails, check storage permissions and available space before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.